Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my grandmother's car. Just kidding. She's deceased. She cannot drive a car right now. Every once in a while when I'm filming, I get some footage that I just sit on. I sit on it long and hard. But today, I sit on this no more. You're welcome. And I don't have a lot of details on this car. I believe it's a 1969 Plymouth Belvedere, but you know what? If I'm wrong, Mopar fanatics, just let me know. And while you're at it, maybe type up a nice little expose about the differences year to year for the Plymouth Belvedere. That's your homework. Before we jump into the featured car, a little history of the Plymouth Belvedere, if I may. The word Belvedere is Italian for beautiful sight or fair view. Wow, that's a spicy meatball. The Belvedere name was first used for the new hardtop body style in the Plymouth Cranbrook line in 1951. But by 1954, the Belvedere replaced the Cranbrook and continued as Plymouth's full-sized car until 1965, when it became an intermediate. Not that its dimensions changed, it was just that the full-sized cars became bigger at that time. Just like my ex-girlfriend. It continued in the intermediate line until the end of the 1970 production year, at which time it was replaced by the Satellite. And now you're caught up. For 1969, this car probably would have had a 318 with 230 horsepower. Not too bad. If you want to save a little bit on gas mileage, you could get a slant 6 with 145 horsepower. And there were even some that came with 383s with 330 horsepower. But you know what? They were tuning this car that day, so let's just check out that run first, and then we'll talk more about some specs. Oh, did I happen to forget that this car is a And since I filmed this in 2021, I would expect it was a Hellcat from that year. So we're talking 717 horsepower at 6,000 RPM, 656 pound-feet of torque at 4,800 RPM. All that out of a supercharged 6.2 liter. Ooh, spicy. Let's just say that this car came from the factory with a 383. Well, in that configuration, curb weight was only 3,460 pounds. So even with that Hellcat engine and then a roll cage and whatever other bracing they did, this car is not going to weigh that much. But now that they got it tuned up, do you guys want to see it really run? How about a little Hellcat on Hellcat action? This is its opponent. I have no details on this car, but it's a Hellcat. Let's check it out. Dang, that is quick. So now that you got a flavor for the opponent, place your bets. Let's see what happens between these two.
Gas, I get all mine at Bitterman Oil Company's BP stations, just off US 131 and D Avenue and on Sprinkle Road in Kalamazoo.
It's getting to be that time of year where you're going to have to add spring cleaning to your to-do list. Make your locally owned Ace Hardware in downtown Plano your first and last stop for everything you'll need from cleaning and painting the inside of your home to making your yard the happy of your neighborhood.
Wow, the Belvedere takes this one running a 1030 at 134 miles per hour. And yeah, the Belvedere may have won the race. But you know what? I'd like to think we're all winners here for being able to witness these two greats go head to head. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you share the video with your friends. They're gonna wanna see this one. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I know I'm gonna see you at the next one because we have a good time here. We like to have fun.